My name is Shilpa and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate balancing table pose or Dandayamana Brahmanasana. This pose is pretty simple and anyone can do it right from the beginner to advanced level. However, if you have any knee injury, then try to place a padding under your knee or you can fold the mat over for extra cushioning. If you have severe knee injuries, then of course avoid this pose. We are going to add a few variations to challenge ourselves in this pose. Let's see how it is done. Start in a tabletop position with your feet hip width apart, knees under your hips and wrists under your shoulders. Let us warm up the back with a few cat and cow stretches. Arch your back, look up for a cow pose as you inhale. Round the back, pulling your belly button towards the spine for a cat pose. Inhale, arch and exhale, round the back. With every inhale, arch more, and as you exhale, round deeper. Inhale for cow pose and exhale for a cat pose. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round, bringing your chin towards your collarbone. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Come to a neutral back, which is not arched or not rounded. Extend your right leg out, keeping it as straight and stretched as possible, and extend the left hand out. Find your balance. Fix your gaze at a point and stretch your arm and leg super straight. Imagine being pulled from both the sides. Draw your awareness to your core muscles. Engage your abs to improve the balance and continue to breathe. Slowly release the hand and the leg, coming back to the tabletop pose. Let's take the same thing on the other side. When you raise your leg up, you might have a tendency to drop your weight on one side. Turn your toes in to make sure that your hips are perfectly parallel to the ground. Extend the opposite hand in front and come right into the balancing tabletop pose. If your knees are sensitive, make sure to use some extra padding below your knees and keep breathing. Slowly release back to the tabletop pose. And let's take a cat and cow stretch again. Again move to side 1 by extending your right leg out and left hand out. Take a few breaths here and get comfortable with balance. You can choose to stay here or for more challenge, move your hand to 45 degrees and leg to 45 degrees, targeting the oblique muscles of your abs. Don't forget to engage the abs and keep breathing in and out through your nose. Bring it back to the center and release back to tabletop pose. Let's take it to the other side by extending the left leg out and right hand out. And then you have an option to either stay here or for more challenge, move into an oblique stretch by moving hand and leg to 45 degrees. Come back to the center and slowly release. Stretch out the work that you have just done by another cat and cow stretch. Moving on, let's add some motion to the classic balancing table pose. Extend the right leg and the left hand again as you inhale, and exhale, bring your knee and elbow as close as possible. Inhale to stretch and exhale, crunch. Inhale, hand and leg goes out. Exhale, knee to your elbow. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, stretch your hand and leg. And exhale, knee to elbow. One last time, inhale, stretch, exhale, crunch. Slowly release back to the tabletop pose. Let's take it to the other side. So inhale, left leg and right hand. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, hand and leg goes away. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, crunch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, crunch. And slowly release back to the table. Stretch out by doing cat and cow stretch. Next variation is going to target the glutes and lower back. So first get into the classic balancing table pose and then bend the leg. Try to hold the ankle with your hand. Lift the ankle up for a really deep back stretch here. If you're unable to lift the leg when you hold the ankle, then don't worry. Release the hand down, bend the knee, flex your foot and start lifting your heel as high as possible towards the sky. Slowly release back to the table and let's take it on the other side. So extend your left leg out, right hand out and grab your ankle as you extend your leg up. Push your thigh up to go a little more high with that leg and breathe in and out through your nose. Again, remember you have an option to release the hand down and just take the leg up, flexing the foot. Slowly release back to the table pose and let's take one more cat and cow stretch. Inhale, look up. Exhale, around the back. Let's go for the last variation. So again, get into the classic balancing table pose with your right leg, left hand, and keeping the leg straight and stretched, start moving it up and down. Remember not to bend the knee and move the entire stretched leg. Release the hand, release the leg. Quickly, let's take it to the other side. Left leg and right hand, and again keeping the leg straight, start kicking it up and down without bending the knee. Pull your belly in to support your back here. Release the leg, release the hand. Let's take the last cat and cow stretch here. Inhale, arch, exhale, round. And then stretch it out in a child's pose. So this was the balancing table pose. Try it at home, try all the variations and let me know in the comment box down below which variations was the most challenging for you. There are many benefits of this pose. A few of them are, it stretches the hamstring and hips. It also strengthens the core muscles and stretches your core muscles as well. It extends and stretches the spine. And of course, last but not the least, it improves the balance. So this was balancing table pose. See you next time with another pose in one pose at a time. Till then, take care. Namaste.